Good morning, everyone. Gosh, waking up to this is like heaven. Let's get ready.
This video is sponsored by Typology. First things first, retainers out.
Today we've got a full jam-packed college day in my life. There's a lot going on today and I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little stressed. I made a to-do list last night of everything that I need to do today, so I feel a little bit better, less stressed than I was earlier in the week for this day. It's 6:50 in the morning right now. I have my alarm set every single day for 6:45 just because I naturally am an early riser. My family has always kind of instilled in us to just wake up early, so I'm not complaining. I get to see the sunrise. This is so disgusting. So much gunk on my cotton balls right now. The Typology micellar water, the best micellar water I've ever used in regards to removing any sort of makeup. It helps get my waterproof mascara off. If you've never used a micellar water, it's not quite a cleanser. It's perfect for getting all that excess gunk off of your face. Not to mention this guy has 7 ingredients. And the last little part of my morning skincare is putting on a radiant serum. This is the L32 Typology radiant serum. This makes my skin look and feel like glass, and you know that's already the goal. I just absolutely adore this brand. It's made in France and their packaging is so unique. It looks bougie, it looks luxe, and every single ingredient is listed on the back. So you don't even need to worry about all those other chemicals that other skincare products are just loading in there, expecting you not to even look at.
Click the link in my description, and when you spend a minimum of $40, you can get a free organic peppermint hydrate.
Welcome to the life of a college student times influencer. Let's get a little rundown on what's going on. 2 Stanley cups, different models because I drink so much water throughout the day. A little to-do list of what's going on. My Microsoft tablet specifically for accounting and BizStat. My notebook full of notes from last night. Pencil bag, the best lip balm in the world. My laptop transferring a video for a brand right now. My planner open, vitamin C and cranberry pills. Laptop case, backpack, jacket, iPad for my thumbnails, and of course the main star of the show, my hard drive. So much going on. My brain is running on like 500 right now. It's too early in the morning for this. We need a coffee. We're gonna do a piece of toast with almond butter and honey and banana, and then we're gonna do like a little yogurt parfait bowl because it's just too good to say no. This is one of my 2 favorite toast combos. Nothing beats a yogurt parfait bowl, and then of course my morning cold brew coffee. Let's eat.
Good morning, Caroline.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm fine. Did you sleep well last night?
I did sleep well last night.
We're going to eat lunch today at Caroline.
I think I'm gonna make something at home today. I don't think I'm gonna go out.
No play for you today?
No playing for me today.
You have lots of work to do, Caroline.
That's right, Nick.
It's so great to talk to you too, Caroline.
I love you.
I love you, Mom. Caroline, what time are you today?
Call you at 4 p.m., okay?
4 o'clock p.m. Bye,
Yes.
Caroline.
Bye. I have 4 cousins with special needs. Nick is one of the 4 of them, and he calls me every single morning and every single evening at the same time. It's always a treat hearing from him. He's just so sweet. There's always time to talk to Nick. Oh, I'm trying not to stress myself out. I think I underestimated how much work I actually have to do. This is the price that I pay for going to college and still doing all my social media work, but I don't have any regrets, and I'm so happy that I ended up choosing this route because I love being a college student, but I also love doing my job. So we're gonna make it work. This is gonna be fine. I will see you guys once I finish working. Hopefully that's very soon. Morning magnesium pills, ice rolling, makeup, all done. Let's go to class because I'm running late. Super quick though, here's an outfit of the day. I'm wearing a tight Hollister tank in case I get hot, but I've gotten this sweater that I thrifted in McCall, Idaho, and then these brown Hollister jeans, which are my absolute favorite. They're so comfy. And just made it to campus. Don't get me wrong, I love winter and I love the snow, but driving in this, it's not for me. No. There have been too many close, almost accidents that have happened in the past week. So, first and only class of the day is economics, particularly microeconomics. I absolutely love my teacher. He's from Turkey and his accent is like the cutest thing ever. I put on my big jacket because it's freezing and let's go walk 15 minutes to the business building. I've fallen like almost 3 times just walking to the business building. Oh, it's freezing.
And these are the rents of different options. As expected, the option that is closest to the downtown has the highest rent, right? And as you move to a far place.
Currently walking back to my car from class. I have a nail appointment in 30 minutes, so I need to hurry and get on the road right now. Actually, it's probably sooner than 30 minutes. Class was so good today. Oh my gosh. Wow, it's freezing. Okay, so my nails look crusty, musty, dusty right now. Your girl needs to get them done. I have a whole Pinterest board of different nails that I like. The common trend is just very clean cut. And I don't know, I feel like I always go for French tip, so I might just do French tip. Just got out of the nail salon and oh my gosh, I am obsessed. Which is my nail technician, absolutely killed it. And so if you guys live in the Boise area, you need to go to Nail Tech and Spa because this is the refresh that I needed. It's so funny because every time I go to the nail salon, I always end up getting French manicure. Something about the classy, traditional look of French manicure that is just so up my alley. And if it's not French, you can bet it's white. Comment down below what your go-to nail color is. I'm curious. I have to show you guys the view because it's stunning right now. Also, it's time for lunch. I'm eating a later lunch right now. It's 2:08, but because I went back to back from class to the nail appointment, I never got a chance to eat, and so your girl is hungry. Look at this. Absolutely stunning. Also, I've never seen this much snow in my life, let alone on my deck. So this is crazy for me. It's so tall. Oh my gosh. Beautiful though. Today's lunch consists of a homemade tuna salad dipped with these Simple Mills almond flour crackers. If you've never had these, you need to run to the store right now and get them because they are so yummy just to snack on in general. But dipping it in something like a tuna salad, even chicken noodle soup, you're never gonna get any other cracker. Now for a taste test. Cheers, love. Wow. Girl lunch. So I started watching this new TV show called Living with the Walter Boys, something like that. The concept is actually really cute. It's like one of those shows that you just turn on as like background noise. It's just a feel-good show. That was aggressive. My Life with the Walter Boys, that's the name of it. The second that I started eating, I literally had to unbutton my pants. Now I'm wearing Brandy Melville sweats and I just took off my thrifted sweater and now we're wearing this Hollister baby tee and then I put my hair up in a little claw clip. I have a couple chocolates that I wanted to try. We're only gonna try one because we're not gonna go too crazy. But if you know me, I have the biggest sweet tooth ever and my friend KK brought me back some Tim Tams because she went on vacation to New Zealand and I've never tried a Tim Tam before in my life. So we're gonna try it together on camera. This is the dark chocolate flavor. Dark chocolate is way better than milk chocolate in my opinion. Ooh, cheers. What does this taste like? I gotta find a picture of it. This is what it tastes like. Okay. If you guys have ever seen this before, these little Keebler fudge stripe cookies, that's exactly what this tastes like. Give it like a 7 out of 10. I just had 6. These are irresistible. The packaging was not lying. It says made with irresistible real chocolate. I'm embarrassed to say I literally just had 6 of these. Is that what I said?
And again, yeah, main goal honestly is to help Kobe students land internships and jobs.
Currently right now, I am doing a resume building workshop. This is completely optional. The College of Business Economics at Boise State had a big pamphlet of current events that are happening. And so I signed up to take this workshop because I constantly want to better my resume, and marketing myself is already a big enough job as it is on the internet. I want to do the same thing with my education. So that's what I'm going to be doing for the next hour.
To the chat, and then by poll.
My car has been beeping at me saying that I need to refill my gas. So we're here at Fred Meyer. Gotta get those points. That way I get discounts on my groceries. And so I'm gonna pump my own gas, but it's literally freezing right now. So we're gonna do it quick and then get back in the car. I mean, it does not get much better than this. I got a chicken one and then 2 pork. All right, tacos have been secured. My friend Allie is currently getting her hair done and we were supposed to eat together. If you've ever gotten your hair done, you know that bleaching your hair is unpredictable. You just don't know what time you're actually gonna be finished. I'm gonna pick her up from her hair appointment and then we're gonna take Tin Roof tacos, bring it back to my house. I left 1 taco to eat and then I got chips and queso, so I'll enjoy that with her. But I'm gonna go pick her up right now. I'm totally parked here legally right now, but let's just take a moment and look at how beautiful Boise is with the whole downtown. If you're looking for a sign to go to school somewhere, let me just say, Boise State University is where it's at. I really hope I don't get in trouble for parking here right now. Okay, but rating on the taco, if you ever go to Tin Roof Tacos, this is what you're gonna get. I still have 1 more pork taco left. I'd give that one a 9 out of 10. I've had the barbecue brisket one. That one is 12 out of 10. The chicken one was a little spicy today, like a little too spicy. So I'm gonna give that one like a 6. Wait. No, it's like really blonde. Hi. Allie Babe's got her hair done. Shout out Typology. Stuff is amazing. Time for cleanser.
Conversations taste just like medication to all of the parts